Hi beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to come on and tell you guys that I'm going to be doing a tag buffet kit class on October 24th. It's going to be at 10 a.m. Pacific or 1 p.m. Eastern, and in between for those of you who are Mountain or Central. But here's the host code you want to use. It's 426 WCFDQ. It is going to be a collaboration with myself and my teammate Donna Herder. So if you'd like to order that, just go to stampinup.com and put in this host code, and Donna's name should appear, and mine is going to come up as well for the hostess. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to make one card that you can make with what we have, but I just wanted to show you, in order to qualify for the class, you will need to purchase the tag buffet kit, and it's so filled with great stuff. We've got some twine in here, some gold twine, and then it's got all of this stuff to make tags, right? And then we've got some project ideas here with all your instructions. What we'll be doing, we'll do some just as is, but you know me, we'll do some extras. So let me just show you real quick. There's various beautiful tags in here that are got some cutouts. Do you see that? Different little cutouts there, some stars with some cutouts, and then we've got some either white on that side or little kind of designs there. Ooh, look at that gold shimmer. Same here. Oh, look, we've got some little cacti on there. And then we've got some pine needles. Pretty. And those are all the bases. But then we've got some cutouts as well. We've got some trees in here. Well, hello, everybody. We have some stockings. We have this beautiful ornament, which I will show you in my class, or my kit. No, not my class or my kit, in today's video. And then we have some little tags as well, little banners. And then look at this little cardinal. We've got some ferns with some holly berries there. And we've got some great gifts. So tons of stuff to make, so many cards. But then you'll want to also get the tag buffet stamp set. And this is what I'm going to show you today. So you will be using it in not only the tag kit, so you'll need to purchase both of these. And then you'll get some great stuff here. Today I'm going to be using the ornament and the Merry Christmas. And let me go ahead and show you what we've got. So I have the layering circles framelits. I grabbed two different sizes here. And I'll show you. I'll show you everything I'm going to use. The holiday rhinestones, perhaps. The champagne rhinestones, perhaps. These are the two circles that I got. And one's going to be a background, one's going to be for the stamp itself. I've got some Night of Navy, some very vanilla. These are just scraps here. And then I've got, for my base, I've got some very vanilla. I'm going to fold that right in half and burnish that down there. Oh, hello, thank you so much. So we've got that there. I also have a piece of Designer Series paper, a piece of Night of Navy, and a piece of Very Vanilla. And if you want dimensions for this card that I'm making today, I will have a tutorial. It'll be in my email and on my blog post tomorrow. So go to BeautyandtheStamper.com to sign up for the email, And if you get in there and get that email signed up, we'll be able to get that before I send it out tomorrow. Alrighty, so I'm going to take the cute little ornament here, and we're going to stamp that. Just like that. And then while I have my stamping, we're going to also grab, I'm using these colors that are in here. So I think that is a Pretty Peacock and the Night of Navy. So I'm going to grab my Pretty Peacock ink and my Merry Christmas. Ink that all up. And make sure your ink is on there nicely. That's why I love the photopolymer. You could see it so well. There we go. And just line that up the best that you can. Excuse me if I'm getting in the way at all. I'm just going to hold that for a minute. Hi, Tony. So I am doing this live on my Facebook, Beauty and the Stamper. I will also have it on YouTube, but it will not be live. So if it doesn't say live, like up in this corner right here, then you won't be seeing it live. Now this kit has to be purchased before the end of September, so September 30th. That way I can get all the stuff cut for you and sent to you in the mail. Alright, we've got that, we've got that. I now have my ornament there, and we are going to color the ornament. I have the Night of Navy Light and Dark combo pack, and then I have the Pretty Peacock Light and Dark combo pack, and then I'm only using the light gray granite. I'm going to start off with the gray granite, and we're just going to give a little bit of shine here, and then the same right here, and right here. Then we're going to go with our light Pretty Peacock, and I'm just going to kind of go around here, and then the same right here. You'll see I'm not going all the way out, and the reason I'm not doing that is because we're going to go in there with the dark Pretty Peacock, and just kind of outline and highlight. Well, we're actually giving low light here, so it's going to create a highlight right down the middle, as if the, you know how it catches the light when it's hanging on a tree. So we've got that. Now I'm going to do the same with the Night of Navy. I got the light Night of Navy. I'm just going to go right here. Oh, for some reason I can't read that. Does the paper have foil? It does. That's why it's kind of, it's got like a copper foil there. Sorry, I had to move that. I couldn't see. Okay, so now we're going in with the dark. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to give it a little bit. And I've found that there's really no way to hurt this, even if you're not real good, because I don't know how to do anything like that. So once I've got that done, now I'm going to come back in. I'm going to take this, just like that. I'm going to take this, just like that. And we're going to run that through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And then we'll end up with these here. Can you not see them in the camera? I don't know what you're wanting there. So we've got that. And now we've got that all done. Now we're just going to put it all together. I've got my dimensionals. I've got this guy. And you know what? I saw that I have 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the Holiday Rhinestone Basic Jewels. So what I'm going to do is the first 5 who order the Tag Buffet Kit class using this host code, I will send you one of these as well. Alright, let's put this together. I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. Just like that. I'm going to put some right on here. I don't know. I see that it says bring to the camera, and I don't know what we are talking about here, because from what I can see, you can see that, but if that's what you're meaning, I don't know if that helps. But now I'm going to stick this on here. I'm going to put it right at the edge. Just like that. I'm just going to use my finger to place it along the border. There we go. So that is just like that. It's just a little bit longer than the middle there. I'm going to take this guy. And we're going to put him on here. I know, I call everything he or them, as if they're alive and well. So we've got that. And it looks like I have a little tiny overhang, so that's probably just me not lining it up properly. I'm going to just cut off that little bitty piece. And same on this side. There we go. And now I'm going to take some dimensionals here. I'm going to put them on. I'm just going to put this right here towards the bottom. And then we're going to also take the piece here, and then after we're done with this, we'll add our little rhinestones and such to bling it out. You know, I love to do that. Now, I know all my YouTubers know, I don't know if all my Facebookers know, that I love this tool. It's my most favorite tool ever. I'm just going to line that up right there. Now, we're going to take these little guys, and we're going to just come down here in the center. And then these are the champagne rhinestones, but they look so close to that copper bronze that I don't think it matters. Look how pretty that is. See that? And then I'm just going to take some of these little guys, and we're going to put one here. I'll get a smaller one and just put it right there. And then another one right there. And that's it. That's one card there. So we'll be doing, in this class, we'll be doing multiple cards. We'll be doing a bunch of tags, and we'll do a gift box or two as well. So this will be a nice, fun, big class. It'll be from 10 to, from 10 a.m. Pacific till about 2 hours or so. So that's usually what we do. And of course, there's always prizes and fun to be had. Hi, Annabelle. All right, I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up or a heart or whatever you'd like. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you will take this class with me. I will leave this here for just a second so you could, oh, thank you for all the hearts. I appreciate it. I will leave this here so you can take a snapshot of it and order if you'd like. I will post this guy on my Instagram, and I will also post this on Facebook or YouTube as well. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.